This is an Alexa enabled powerwall prototype. Alexa, turn on charge powerwall. So we are charging.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Discharge current is 0. Charge current is 0.3 amperes because it's already 41.9 volt. Alexa, turn on discharge powerwall. So charging is turned off. Discharge will start in 5 seconds. So discharge has started. And we are selling power to the grid. It's increasing. The power is now at 500 watts, 600 watts, 700 watts, 800 watts. So the power is around 800 watts from 40 cells. I will stop this and again go back to charging. Alexa, turn on charge powerwall. Okay, so discharge has stopped and charging will start up. Charging has started back up. Now charging at around 185 watts.